Hi, I'm Gary Baker, Creative Director with Unite Hair, and I want to introduce to you today 3 key products that are great for volume and adding effortless texture to the hair. And they are going to be Second Day, it's a finishing cream. Then we have Expander Dust, which is a volumizer. And then we have a hybrid, which is Beach Day. So first off, I want to show you Second Day that allows us to create a very tousled, lived in, obviously Second Day look, and takes away frizzy hair in a very controlled way. So just using a small amount on my fingertips, you can see in this hair here how you drag that through with your fingers in like a claw-like application, and then just drizzle it through on the ends, and there you get separation in the hair, the frizz is controlled, and a great lived-in feel and vibe to the hair. Really nice and simple. Secondly, I want to show you Beach Day. It gives a great lived-in beachy feel, obviously. Now this is a natural sulfate spray that you just mist on the hair. Can be used on wet or dry hair, so application will change depending if your hair is damp. But on dry hair, just a very simple mist, and it's got great UV and heat protection, and I can just come in with an iron over the top and just mold the hair into the shape I wish. Once that is done, and you'll notice it's got great hold, great curl retention in that, you can, if you so wish, either separate the hair, or if you're happy with it, and just mist it once more, and that will give it great hold once again, add to it, and also add to the separation. Finally, I'm going to show you the wonderful Expander Dust. This is a real light volumizing dust. You have really 2 key applications for this. It's great for all hair types, fine, medium or thick, it doesn't matter. It's just on that key volume. What you want to do to apply that first, go into your root base. Now you're either going to tap it for one type of application and then just rub that in your roots, and instantly you'll get root lift. And for volume through mid-lengths and ends, you can puff it through like so, and then just attach with your fingers for that final touch and create as much volume as you like. So there you have it, great texture and volume from those 3 key products: Beach Day, Expander Dust and Second Day.